Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find lock screen. As you can see at the top, we've got the option we're looking for, so just tap on sleep option, and here we've got the options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom, the longest, which is 10 minutes. So simply tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.